Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a comparison video between this Robinhood and CharlesSwap.com. So here is the key differences. The user experience. Robinhood offers a streamlined mobile first platform ideal for beginners and younger investors seeking simplicity. Charles Schwab provides comprehensive platforms like web, desktop, mobile with advanced tools suitable for both novice and experienced investors. Now here's this investment option in both this platform. Like Robinhood supports trading in stocks, ETFs, options and cryptocurrencies. Charles Schwab offer a broader range including stocks, ETFs, options, mutual funds, bonds, futures and forex. Now let's talk about the fees. Robinhood commission-free trades across all supported assets, and Charles Schwab commissions-free for stocks and ETFs charges $0.65 per options contract and fees for certain mutual funds and broker-assisted trades. Then account types in Robinhood, primarily individual taxable account and IRAs, and other side Charles Schwab wide variety including individual joint custodial retirement, the IRA or Roth IRA, and trust accounts. Now the customer support is Robinhood offers 24/7 in-app chat and email support, phone support available during extended hours. Charles Schwab provides 24/7 phone chat and email support along with access to over 300 physical branches. Now which one should you choose? Choose Robinhood if you are a beginner seeking a user-friendly, mobile-centric platform, you prefer commission-free trading and are interested in cryptocurrencies. Choose Charles Schwab if you desire a comprehensive suite of investment options and account types, you value extensive research tools, educational resource, and robust customer support. So both platforms have their merits, catering to different investor needs. You choice should align with your investment goals, experience level, and features you purchased in a brokerage service. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.